Books, 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 and beautiful books. JavaScript and jQuery, I hope I pronounced that right, by John Duckett. Yes, I've actually getting into website building and designing again. My other business is basically I've had to do my own website because I won't pay anybody. But yes, JavaScript, I'm not 100% certain on it because I've never really done much with it before. Oops, let's get rid of the page marker. Basically, this was handed to me as a present, but interesting story. The person who handed it to me actually purchased the other one in the series that I already had, which I'll show in a second. So yes, the thing is with computer programming, it's not reading it's the problem, it's understanding it. You could read it until the cows come home, or in my case, the website comes home. Do you get it? It comes home. Home screen? No? I don't know what I'm doing on half the time. I'm actually enjoying this, but I'll let you know how I feel about it once I've read it all. Let's put that back in there, and let's put that to one side. This was actually the one I purchased a couple of years ago. It's basically everything you need to know about hypertext markup language and Cascade star sheets. Oops. And there goes the camera, not focusing. But yes, if you're getting into website design or building, read this. This is actually quite a good book to read. It pretty much covers everything you need to know, especially these, I call them Cascade type websites. For example, like Amazon, where it just keeps on going and going and going. I've never been a big fan of Amazon, even though the JavaScript one actually comes from Amazon. I think I got this from Weatherstones. Funny enough, in my hometown, basically you've got Waterstones and Weatherspoons pretty much sitting next to each other. So I call Weatherspoons Waterstones, and then obviously the Waterstones Weatherspoons. Anyway, if you want to get into computer programming, I would recommend this book. This basically gives everything you need to know in order to produce or design your own website. All fun and games. Speaking about fun and games, I purchased this for a Raspberry Pi made easy. I like anything to do with computers or anything to do with programming. This is interesting because basically a Raspberry Pi is, like you're fully aware, a very small microcomputer you can do a lot with. The computing nerds out there will be watching this and be thinking, yes, we know what to do with a Raspberry Pi, but not everybody is comfortable putting ROMs and stuff on a micro SD. I've not needed to do anything with my Raspberry Pi yet, mainly because I don't get no time at all. And as for gaming on it, which is predominantly what it's used for, it's all right. But thing is, I don't own a TV, so I can't play my old Tomb Raider games on it. Although I'll probably change this year, to be honest. I might get myself a little PC monitor. But yes, my little babble about coding, Raspberry Pi, HTML, and JavaScript. I like how these are all nice and smooth. Yes, reading, fun and games for all the family. Although, I would say this, if you're going to get into this stuff, do it while you're young. Don't be like me, a miserable old so-and-so. Thank you very much, folks, for watching. And I've probably made about three videos of this already tonight. Anyway, speak to you later. See you soon, folks.